Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is "The People Who Door Ding Cars Are Terrible." Man, I thought it was ding dong ditch. Now we doing ding dong and cars? What type of stuff is that? Let's get into it.
After a woman door dings the car next to her, the Karen in her decides to escalate the situation with police.
You're not going to touch my mom or me, and you're going to leave me alone.
Okay. Well,
go away. You can send me a letter.
Okay. Well, here's the thing. Yeah.
There's nothing. Where's the phone?
There's right here.
No, he wasn't here yet. You pulled up next to us.
Okay. Well, there's damage on his car and there's damage on your door that matches his damage.
Well, I guess you have to match it up.
Okay.
But you're not gonna touch me, and you're not gonna.
Okay.
Actually take me to
Well, I don't need to touch you, so that's fine.
You wanted to go.
Hi, ma'am.
Has nothing to do with me.
Okay. Well, who's
He's
this?
not driving this car. I am.
Okay,
You're
ma'am.
doing it again.
Ma'am.
Do not touch my mom.
Stop.
Do not
Stop.
touch my mother.
No one's touching.
Stop. Do not touch me by the neck. You're
Stop.
Mom, Mom,
Stop.
you don't
Enough.
touch me by the neck.
Enough.
You don't touch me by the neck
Enough.
again.
Enough.
Get the f away from me.
Enough.
Get away.
Enough.
Stop. You're a f***ing
Enough.
guy. You're a guy. Get away from me.
Ma'am.
You don't touch me again.
Enough.
You grab me by the throat. I'm going
Enough.
to kill you.
That's enough. That's enough.
Yes.
Come on now. Y'all letting her get away with. Y'all giving her a lot of leeway now. A lot of leeway, man.
Guys are over here in 4 minutes. Ma'am. Oh, for the love of God.
Mom.
How about both and a supervisor?
They don't touch me.
Get the f away from my mom.
Ma'am,
Before I kill you.
ma'am, you need to stop.
Get the f out of my mom. Get away from her.
Ma'am, stop.
Get away.
Don't kick.
You're hurting her.
You're hurting her.
Help.
Okay.
Help.
Why don't you walk
Help. Help.
Here.
Please
Why
help.
don't you just step back
Get
here?
the f away from my mom. Get away from my mom. Mom. I'm gonna f***ing kill you. You know that?
You need to knock it off.
What are you gonna do? I hate you too. I hate you. No, what are you gonna do? I hate you. And these guys are hurt my mom.
Okay.
Help! Help! My mom! I hate you. My mom's trying to get help. You losers, you have no idea what you just did, did you?
Okay. So who do we have coming?
Everybody.
Your mom is
Do we
coming.
have an ambulance coming?
Yeah.
Don't
Okay.
fuck yourself. My mom is better than you. That's your
Okay.
off my leg.
That's right.
Ma'am, stop that.
Off my leg.
Ma'am, stop it.
Get your off my leg.
Nobody's is on you.
Get the fuck off me, you loser. Help!
I got her left leg.
Help! Help! Officer! He's hurting my left leg. Can you take me in? Please help me. He's hurting me.
Yeah, she's trying to kick us.
No, it hurt. Can you try to do that? Can you help me, officer? Please help me. Officer,
Sure, it's okay.
help me.
We got you.
You have no idea. You have no idea what I'm going to do if you don't help me. Help! Help! I love you, Mommy. Just let me go, you idiot.
We can't let you go. You're not acting safely.
My legs are hurting. I have
Yeah.
to get home.
You okay there? You doing all right? What's your name?
Danielle, Danielle, get in the car.
Well, Danielle's not getting in your car right now.
No?
I don't know. I'm trying to just sit down.
Is she unconscious?
No,
There she is. She's okay.
not. Let's just leave her right here for now.
How you feeling? Danielle, you see me? She's alright on us, so.
The guy in the sunglasses, the original complainant. Okay, can you sit up for us?
us what
care
happened
about
here?
you.
I want to get the mom thoughts. Like, does her mom condone this? Like, this is insane. Like, why is your daughter so gone? You know what I'm saying? She's drunk. You know what I mean? She's either drunk or under the influence of something, you know, during the day. It's daytime. Like, what are we doing here? 13:43. It's about to be 2 o'clock. It's 1 something.
Figure it out.
Can you tell us what's going on with you?
Oh my God. Did you see Savannah?
7100 hit and run, Seminole and Indigo.
The idiot on the phone. You hear that? I don't have to listen to you. I know my daughter got hurt already. You think that you were going to help me?
Did you say your daughter?
Yeah, you're kind of fired. Okay, well, everything's going to happen through your camera, but nothing cares. No one cares because I have to deal with it in real life time.
What happened with your daughter?
Why don't you figure it out? You have the camera. I
Just want to hear from you, though. Your
I'm
mom.
not going to talk to you.
Okay.
I'm sick.
Alright. What's wrong with you?
I'm sick. I don't know
Sick
what
with
to do.
what?
Sick with you people.
Okay. Do you have any medical conditions that we should tell the fire
No,
department
you might
about?
as well just try to figure it out. I'm tired.
Okay.
What is this in front of me? A loser? I mean, really? I have to deal with this shit in front of me? My daughter is hurting and has her father hurting and I have to deal with this piece of shit in front of me? Are you kidding me? What is this here? What is he? His beard is gray and he's ugly. So what do I have to do with him? You have no teeth, really. You're fat and ugly. My mom wants to help me.
Okay, can you put your feet in front of you so you
No,
can
I
sit
won't.
upright?
I won't do it.
Top pressure cars there. Dual optional. She advised him he had FD stage.
Oh my god.
You're an asshole. How dare you? Child pretty much. You are. Now I have to deal with this shit too on top of everything else. Stop your hard from hitting my head. Jesus Christ, go on me. Oh, you're gonna hurt me?
Can you
Your
sit
dick
up by
is hitting
yourself?
my eye. I mean, what do you want me to do?
Can you sit up by yourself?
I don't know, you're f***ing telling me. Your dick is hitting me in the eye, you idiots.
Okay. How about you just sit up by yourself?
And this is why male officers do not like to deal with female officers. Or not female officers. Well, male officers like to deal with female officers. That is a fact. But no, what I meant to say is, while male officers don't like to deal with female civilians because, you know, I'm sure a lot of allegations pop up and this and that, you know, especially probably before they had, you know, the cameras and stuff like that, man, because it's just, yeah, it just makes for a nightmare, you know. And then if a male has to pat a female down because a female officer isn't available, it's just like, ugh. Who the heck wants to deal with that? You know what I mean? Because they just gonna say any old thing, man.
Okay?
Don't touch me.
We're trying not to.
What are you gonna do anyway? You hit me, you kick me. I know you, Collins. You do this to me.
Right now they're just sitting around.
Why would you do this to me?
We did.
Yes.
Primarily for her. Ma'am, hey, come on. Stop that.
Don't touch
Stop
me.
that. You can't.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Danielle,
You can't
very
be
erratic.
hurting yourself,
She
okay?
tried fighting with us, spitting at us.
She keeps hitting her head on the other car here. So she's got a lot of time.
Up and down.
Okay, can you lean back against your mom's car? I don't want you hitting your head again.
Is she handcuffed?
Yes.
No, it's not gonna happen.
She was spitting. She was spit.
This is just to get her to stop.
Right. This is just to get her to stop right now, because she's trying to hurt herself and us.
Okay. And this started from her just hitting another car.
Yeah, she door dinged this guy, and then things went downhill from there. But she keeps. I don't know if she's playing possum or if she's passing out because she's intoxicated or what, but she keeps going in and out like this. You got her?
Well, I think.
Okay.
Gravity.
Danielle, can you sit up? Okay, you can't be laying down like that now. Come on.
Good for
Come on.
My daughter.
Watch out, man. You guys.
Please let me alone. My daughter hurting. My baby's hurting. Why is Savannah? What am I gonna do now?
These guys just need to talk to you. That's what's going to happen.
Why is Savannah?
Yeah, it's not the police this time. These are
I
paramedics.
don't care about police. My Savannah is gone. She's hurting me.
7100 can we get her up and get her out of the car?
Sure.
Here,
Yep.
get me up.
Okay, Danielle, come on.
Help me.
Ready, Danielle?
Please,
1, 2, 3.
There you go.
help me.
Okay, can you go over there?
Okay, help me.
Yeah, they're here to help.
Danielle was charged with battery, criminal damage to property, and resisting obstructing. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.